So, backyard update. Our deck, outdoor kitchen, and here's some stuff we have grown. These are some annual flowers. These are petunias. This guy's a lemon. So there's those guys over there. There's some peppers and some late tomatoes here. And this is what our backyard is turning into. So, these are onions. More onions. Back there are green onions. This is a potato tower that should yield around 100 pounds potatoes. Those are more potatoes. Zucchini and some flowers. This is a fig tree that has been duplicated from there. This is Kim's tomato patch. It's about, I think, over 100 plants here. Then I think, what are this? Beans or peas? Beans. Here are lettuce, more onions, carrots. This used to be a patch of invasive species of Japanese knotweed, which got dug over 3 years and killed, and now will, within a month, become my shop. This is for the birds. Feeder there, and another one there. This is a cherry tree. There are some more tomatoes back here and over there. This is a pear tree. It's all got planted this year, by the way. It's got about 13 pears. Look at this, there's not a bug or a mark on that. It's another fig tree. And this guy's kind of on the ground, also fig. So we bought 2 of these arbors. So let me just walk away. This is a Valencia orange tree. And these are sweet potatoes. These are citrus that we don't know what they are. They were seeds from the store that are about 6 years old. They could be lemon, grapefruit, or lime. I think this 4 here are lime because they smell like a lime. But this ones here, we don't know until the fruit. So we have about 200 corns here to this side. And this is a red delicious apple by the bee house. That's watermelon. This is a navel orange tree. Grafted, that's a lemon. And this one here is a clementine. So that's it, that's what's going on. We're gonna have a greenhouse there, which is in a box. several boxes. Over here, but since we work out here a lot, we set up an ice cream shop. Anyways, that's the update so far. Can't wait for the building to be done.